I am at Burbank, Hollywood Burbank International Airport, $54. And we are going to continue and keep talking about the container series. If you notice down here, I'll show you another tip. It shows full, and 16 out of 20 for Uber XL. That's fine. If something pops up, I'll take it. But the full basically means at Burbank Airport, anything over 50. If there's more than 50 people at Burbank Airport, it will show full. And earlier when I was getting here, it was showing around on the other map. Let's see if it shows up. Sometimes you can see the other map, sometimes you can't. Can I see? Oh, there you go. So if you look over here, it is showing what? Now it's showing full. Okay, so if you look up here, it shows 76 out of 80. That 76 out of 80 is either the Uber X or it's the Uber Comfort. And this is what I'm trying to communicate here. Anything over 50, it will show it as full, right? So if down here where you see, oh, Uber XL has already gone to 11 out of 15. This is good news. That means a flight landed and 5 people just left on Uber XL, right? Now on Uber XL, if there were more than 50 people here, it would show as full. But generally at Burbank, it always has room for Uber XL. There's not that many Uber XL people here. And I like that. That's what I've learned. Okay, let's go back here. Let's look here. Oh, it didn't update for me over here. That's weird. It's showing 16 out of 20 for me. But I think that's where it has 2 different algorithms, right? It has an algorithm that's on the queue. Okay, somebody just waved at me. It's time for him to go. Perfect. That means, let me make sure. And this is good. When I have to move like this, that means somebody got a flight and I'm going to get that parking spot. And here we go. Beautiful. Now I got a parking spot. What are the odds of that? I just moved up and I got a parking spot. All right. A person left, that means a flight came, right? Now, smart thing would be for me to turn around and look so I can see people leaving the airport, but I'm not. I'm looking. A guy's gonna cross, When I see 4 or 5 Uber drivers going hella fast, that means a flight landed. And over here, there you go, 16 out of 15. Okay, I know what it is. Burbank Airport queue versus Uber XL, what we're looking at down here. Look, what we're looking at right here, and when I click up here, there's a 1 minute delay. That's it. I think that's what it is. Hey guys, I'm always trying to figure this stuff out, so it helps you, right? Let's go over here and let's look. Yeah, now it's matching. See? 11 out of 15. I think there's a 1 minute delay. That's all it is. It's not 2 different algorithms. Anyways, I'm going to pause this video, sit here and wait, and let's see what happens in the background. You know what? I got to create some thumbnails for the container stuff and actually start uploading that video. So I'm going to work on that right now. Okay, something popped up. What are you showing? $19 to go to Los Angeles. I don't even know where that is. And by the time I looked at it, it's already gone. So as you know the drill. Oh, look at that. Uber X is full, but that ride popped up. That doesn't make any sense. That means somebody canceled on that person for 20 bucks. But here's the good news. Uber Comfort is opening and Uber XL is the same. And we're going to keep working and we're going to keep waiting and we're going to keep understanding this container system and Uber algorithm. But I'm hoping if I can get 20, 30 bucks, I'll take it. And which way are we going to go? Now let's look at it. We're at Burbank. Let's zoom out. Okay. So I was going here earlier in the morning, right? I think LAX is still going to be busy. Let me change it to red. Wait. I think LAX is still going to be busy today. So if I get anything going that way, I'll take it. Maybe downtown LA right now because I can take the freeway and there might be people here from New Year's kind of trickling around, and you can see the fog, right? You can see where the fog is. So I'll take that. Pasadena is a big no. That's like, this is the no, okay? This is a yes with a circle. This is a yes, okay? I'll take anything short that's close to here that'll bring me back so I can be back at Burbank and maybe take another shot. And that's basically what I'm thinking. And earlier I was telling you in my video that anything that goes from freeway to freeway, that's Encino, that's fine. Anything that's gonna go out this way towards Norwalk is fine, so I can end up towards Disneyland and John Wayne Airport. And that's basically what we're looking at. We're avoiding this area. We're avoiding this. La Crescenta is fine. Okay. Anything up here is fine. But as long as I can go freeway to freeway, we're going to avoid West Hollywood. We're going to avoid Beverly Hills, right? Because we don't want to do any street driving right now, right? That's a waste of time. We never go this way. We never go in Inglewood. We never go into Watts. We never go into South Central LA, right? This stuff is a no-no. It's not safe. This is a no-no, Compton. And generally, you know, all of this is a no. So this is basically how I drive. You can kind of get an idea. I know this looks kind of messy. Actually, this area is fine. El Monte is fine. Monterey Park is fine. Pico Rivera is fine. Commerce is fine. Okay, because once you end up here, you can end up going towards John Wayne Airport, and that's where we're at. Let me hide this. Let's take a look at the queue. Oh, good. Uber Comfort is falling to 31 out of 35 since we've been making this video. Uber XL is the same. The time is 11:45. I'm hoping like within half an hour something happens and we nail somebody. Now there was a $20 ride that I passed on, but that is okay because I don't know where it was going. If it was close and I knew where it was going, I would have taken it. That's my style of driving, my friends. Cherry picking at its best. Okay, I'm just checking back. It's been 10 minutes. The comfort line is moving. Uber X isn't. Uber XL hasn't, which means it is not accurate what they were predicting, the amount of flights that are coming in. Right? Where did it go? It's not even showing up. Come on, 150, 200, $125 billion company. Where you at? Yeah. So, or it's playing games with us, right? But it's all good. We're going to sit here. We're going to keep working on our YouTube channel. And in the background, check it out. I have a video that's being exported, and I have another YouTube short that's already been exported. And then I have people commenting and asking me that they want to be in my WhatsApp group and Telegram group where we can learn and talk strategy, which is kind of cool. Okay, now it just decided to take me off the queue. That doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm sitting, I'm parked, I can't even move my car, so I'm hoping it's just a bug in the app. I can't confirm it, but you know what? We're gonna just post this video up and we're gonna say, hey, I've been sitting here waiting for 30-40 minutes, but all of a sudden I was in the queue, and all of a sudden I'm off the queue. I can't explain this, but I think even though I'm sitting here, I will be fine. Now I can't move my car because there's somebody behind me, but I'll give Uber till around 12:15. If by 12:15 I don't get back in the queue and another ride doesn't pop up, that means we're basically getting punished by Uber again for some reason. I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. But who knows? Maybe actually, you know what? I'll leave this video. I won't finish it. I'll give it 15 minutes because maybe I'll get popped back in the queue. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk around with my phone. That's what I gotta do. Hey, I just learned something. Let me walk around with my phone and tell you if I get back in the queue. Okay, let me walk around and see if we can get it to pop me back in the queue. That would be cool. Then I'll end the video. Then I'll let everybody know if you're at Burbank, it'll pop you off. There it is. It'll pop you off the queue, and then you have to walk around. Guess what? By me walking around, I'm getting some exercise. Look at that, my friends. Look at that. Like, I want to show you where my car is. I'm doing a screen recording, so it's going to be weird. But look, my car is right there. I'm in the corner waiting. And for some reason, it decided to take me off the queue. But now let's upload this video because this is going to be a cool trick for you guys. And then I'm going to start a new video because this is 10 minutes long. All right, this is cool. But look at the queue. It moved fast, right? Okay, let me start a new video.